How to read deleted WhatsApp messages. Or, how to read deleted messages on WhatsApp without any app. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you step by step on how to read deleted WhatsApp messages. Please follow me so that you don't miss out any single step. Okay. Here I have two phones, so let me send the message on the other phone. Here let me send the message like, "Hello." Let me open to confirm the messages on this phone. Okay. Here are the messages that I have sent. Now on this another phone let me delete all of them. Here let me delete for everyone. Done. On this other phone you can see messages are no longer there. You see this message was deleted. Now let me show to you how to read those messages. Okay, on this phone open apps and tap on settings. Here tap on apps and notifications. Tap on notifications. If you don't find that option then you have to tap on advanced. Tap on notification. Here tap to open notification history. Now you see here notification history turned off, so we need to turn it on. Press on this icon to turn it on. After that press on back. On let me send another messages to see how it's going to work. As you can see the messages are popping up on the other phone. On this phone again let me delete all those messages that I have sent. Let me select for everyone. Done. Again you can see all the sent messages are deleted, so let me show to you how you can read those deleted messages. Open settings. Tap to open apps and notifications. Tap on notifications. Tap on notification history. Here you will find all the deleted sent messages for WhatsApp. So, that's how you can read deleted WhatsApp messages from your phone. So thank you for watching, and if you have any question leave it into the comment section. Have a nice time.